I tested 5 viral healthy cakes, but only one actually tastes like real cake. Some of these use avocado, one uses Coke, and one of them almost made me regret everything. Let's find out which one is actually worth it. Okay, first, this one scares me. But stay with me, we're making chocolate cake with avocado. Yeah, I know. Mash 1 ripe avocado, get it nice and smooth. Add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Now mix it really well. I mean really well. No green chunks, no excuses. At this point, it looks questionable, but trust the process. Microwave for 2 minutes, and look at that. It's soft, it's rich, it's actually chocolatey, and somehow it doesn't taste like avocado at all. Rating 8 out of 10. Way better than it has any right to be. Just don't overcook it, or it turns into sadness. Next, this is the laziest cake on the internet. No flour, no sugar, just 3 ingredients, 2 bananas, 2 eggs, half a cup of oats. That's it. Throw everything into a blender, and if it looks weird, good. You're doing it right. Blend until it's smooth, pour it into a pan, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Now, look at this. It's actually a cake, like a real cake. Soft, a little dense, but surprisingly decent. Rating 7 out of 10. Would I serve this at a party? No. Would I eat this at 2 a.m. trying to be healthy? Absolutely. Now this one makes no sense. We're making cake using Coke. Yeah, soda. And no, this is not normal. We already have cocoa in the bowl. Now watch this. Pour the Coke. Wait, why is it bubbling like that? That looks alive. Okay. Keep going. Add 1 egg, then flour. Mix it fast before something weird happens. This looks like a science experiment. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Why is that a real cake? There's no way. It's soft, rich, and it doesn't even taste like Coke. I don't like how good this is. Rating 6.5 over 10. Would I recommend it? No. Would I eat it again? Unfortunately, yes. Alright, gym people, this is your moment. 1 scoop protein, 1 egg, 1 spoon yogurt. That's it. This is not baking. This is survival. Mix it. Okay, wait. Why does that actually look decent? Microwave for 1 minute. No way. That actually became a cake. Hold on. Yeah, I knew it. It's a little dry. This is the I go to the gym but I hate cooking cake. Let me taste it. Okay, it's not bad. Rating 6 out of 10. Would I make this again? Only if I'm desperate. Or broke. Or both. Last one. If this works, oven or canceled. I'm making a cake using only a pan, flour, egg, milk, honey, baking powder. Mix it. Don't overthink it. If it looks like this, you're already winning. Pour it in a pan. Low heat. Cover it. Now we wait. Flip it. If you're brave. Bro, look at that. No oven, and it came out this soft? Okay, I didn't expect that. 9 out of 10. Yeah, ovens might be canceled. Alright, after testing all 5, here's the truth. Last place, protein cake. Tastes like a gym membership. Number 4, Coke cake. Science experiment. Not dessert. Number 3, banana oat cake. Safe, but kinda boring. Number 2, avocado cake. Sounds wrong. Tastes right. Number 1, pancake. No oven, still the best. This is the one you actually make. If you want more weird cake experiments like this, subscribe to Daddy Cake. Next time I'm testing cakes with vegetables, and one of them is green.